Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another new video, and this is me, your host Sain. Okay, in our today's video, we'll try to solve some problem on our website. There is some problem. First of all, we will do indexing of our website in Google Search Console. Then we will solve some error on Google Search Console problem, how you can index your website on Google Search Console instantly. We will also show this, and we will show you how you can solve all the problem related with e-commerce website and do some little bit of changes on our website. So without any further interruption, let's get start our today's video. Okay. uh, most of the people know that if we want to log into our WordPress dashboard, then we have to type our website name slash WP admin. But if you need any security, then you can also type another things. You can change the URL WP admin to another thing. So we already changed it, and I don't want to show the secret URL of my website login. That's why at first I will log into my direct admin panel. After login to my direct admin panel, I will go to WordPress, and then I will log into my website from here directly, and I don't have to give any type of password or username to log into my WordPress dashboard. It's a very easy process. I hope you guys, if you guys can't uh, if you guys cannot remember the password or username, then you can do these types of thing to log into your WordPress website. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we will go to our Yoast SEO plugin, then we will go to general. We will submit our search appearances key. There is some problem, update or fix. Okay, we will do it. First of all, we go to feature, then we will go to integration, webmaster tool. We have to submit our webmaster tool. We will go to Google Search Console for this. Okay, so HTML tag, I have to paste this HTML tag here. Okay, I pasted it and click on save changes. Okay, after it has been changed, I will click on verify. I think it will be verified very easily. Okay, it's verified. Now we'll go to our search console, and we will add our property here. This is AJ Inventive. We have to add our property. Click on add property. Then we will just cut it out, and we will just paste our domain here. Then we will click on continue, and there will be another pop-up will be here. We just have to code this copy. We have to copy these things, then we have to go to our direct admin panel again. So I'll be back there. After here, we have to go to the DNS management. Then we have to create a file, like if we go to September, then we have to create a file name. We have to create a file name .htxs, but I'm not getting that. Okay, septennis.com text. Okay, text septennis.com. Okay, so I will select AJ Inventive, then I will create an ad record. The type will be text, ajinventive.com. The value will be this. Google cancel. I have to first of all watch these things. Google verification code. Okay, Go to ageinventive.com, add record, text as inventive pane. Okay, now I will click on add, and it takes some time to change the things. But before this, I will go to my website that it's work well or not. Okay, it's work well. There is no error. Okay, we're not facing any error on our website. It's okay. Uh, so I'll just now click on verify. I think it should be work. It takes some time to update it. Okay. How much time it take I don't know, but it will be updated in a few minutes. So we will wait for this. We already pasted it in our website here. Okay, it should work now. Verify. Okay, so it's verified. Go to our property. Okay, now we're in our property. Now we have to submit our sitemap actually. Age inventory, already this sitemap is submitted on our website. Now I need an I will go to settings. I have to provide the access. For this I have to go to the I have to create an API key. Google user permission. First of all, I have to go to Google API key developer.google. Google uh, go to credential page. Okay, we came here. Okay, so in our next video I will show you how you can index your website instantly. That's all about our today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more videos like this. And thank you very much for watching our videos and supporting our YouTube channel. Bye bye.